quiet, but back at Earth, didn't matter one bit. That departing coronal hole had set its solar wind our way 3 days ago, and it arrived overnight, triggering a level 3 geomagnetic storm, KP7. No, this was not expected by anyone. The solar wind enhancement also leaves one wondering what happened, as none of the telemetry was too intense. Folks, nobody can say for sure if the stream was terribly misjudged or if Earth's magnetic field had a weak moment in its ongoing decline. Remember, it is declining on the long term, but day to day it's like the stock market. Good days, bad days, up and down. The solar wind data from satellites does suggest the second one. We had one of those in March of 2011 as well, if you'll recall. Way more geomagnetic forcing than expected given the solar wind, unless it was a rough day for Earth's magnetic field. For those careful observers who caught the filament release near the southern polar crown, it was sizable, did produce a CME, but it looks like it's going to just miss the Earth. More filaments do abound, but right now let's get an update on Earth's rotation speed. Background is that it's been anomalously speeding up, with the need for leap seconds disappearing as every year came in milliseconds long, except the last two. And we're expected to not only break that record with a faster year this year, but we're expected to shatter the fastest day on record this summer, a record which 2020 broke 28 times. Remember, while the days grow slightly shorter, long before any human could possibly notice those milliseconds, the crust and mantle boundary will notice, unlocking, heaving, and shifting. Folks, let's jump back in time to remind everyone that Earth